Hey guys, it's Monday, October 23rd, and this is another video that I go over my scalps or trades with a funded account with Apex. It's a $25,000 funded account. I've been uploading my daily summary of trades to show you how this journey is for me. Last week we had 5 days of 5 green days back to back, and today Monday was the first red day on this account. In terms of P&L, wasn't a good day, but in terms of some not all, some emotional management, um, it was good for myself. I will tell you what happened. Unfortunately, this is after 6 p.m. and I cannot bring the trades, the executions, back on the chart. But I will tell you what happened. I took actually one trade. So this is the Nasdaq chart, 5 minute, as always. Um, Here market opened and then it went straight down for the stops here. It took down those stops and then it just bounced back up straight to this level 14,854. So I took this trade, I guess, somewhere from here to just down here. That was a quick scalp. I wasn't like in a trade, for 2 candles. It was just within one candle. I had some profit, done. And then when it came back up, this is where the mistake happened. I was too. I rushed the trade. I wasn't patient. I broke my rules. I didn't wait for my setup. My setup is always breaking one of these levels and then trading back up. Actually, like even this trade, so it wasn't my trade, so it just worked. But the second one, then I wasn't lucky. So I guess somewhere around here, I went short. I thought because, so it broke this level, it's going to go further down, but I was wrong. And I don't have solid stop losses. I always, I don't believe them, call me stupid, but that doesn't go well with my strategy, or I haven't figured them out yet. So I go without a stop loss, and when I think things are wrong, and hopefully when I realize it at just right time, I get out of the trade. But I guess I could have exited way early, but I didn't. So I went short here, and I guess I held it. I was still short biased. It broke this trend line. I thought that's a fake out. It doesn't go up, and you see it kept going up. I guess somewhere around here, just like when we broke above this high of the day, then I was convinced that it's not gonna come back down to just like here. If it does, it's gonna be a small pullback like this. But so I exited this trade for, it was a big loss. It was I guess $800 loss. So almost the account went back to its initial point. So 25,000. If you remember, on Friday we were up by $100, so it was 25,800 something, and then it went straight back down to 25,000. It sucked, yes. The stings. Emotionally, mentally, is very expensive. It's just like it's too much. And after that, so I blown a lot of just funded accounts. I don't hide it. So and I also just like I had payouts before, but usually after these sort of losses, I would just revenge trade like crazy. Like just like I go all in, and it either works or it doesn't. Most of the times, of course, it doesn't, and then I buy another account and I try to pass the evaluation in one day, and wait just like another week to just like try to fund that just like again from scratch. But this time I didn't let that happen, and that's why I'm saying it was kind of a good day for me in that sense, that I didn't go crazy after that. I kind of manage my emotions after that. So like still I paid to activate this funded account. I'm not gonna blow it up. So I kind of stayed rational, So maybe there was a couple of factors. This happened to me many times, in the past few weeks, and I was kind of frustrated. I said, like, there is no way if I blow on this account, then I have to just like another eval, pass it. It's gonna be time, money, you know. Time is 7 days at least if I just like pass the eval, and money I have to just like pay for the eval. It's like another 20-30 bucks. Then I have to pay for activation, 150 bucks for Apex. So I was kind of tired of just like paying those money, and I said, no, I have to make this work. I shouldn't give up this account and then just like go another one. That was kind of like mature of me, which I was happy with myself. But still, I have a lot to work on myself. So I should have just like cut this way early, just like somewhere up here for $100-$200 loss. And then even like just like for this trade, I was up, by $60-$70. I should have been happy with that, or like I should have gone for a luck loss that breaks even the first profit. But yeah, I didn't, and it's too late. But after that, I took like few more trades, just again, this is beautifully like my setup. It breaks, just like above this, small pullback. Always my trade. Break, just a huge breakout. There's no way this is gonna hold and it's gonna come back down. Even if you put your level, just like here, this is gonna just like break. You see, break above this, and then come back this. Which I took this trade actually, but another good thing was I went small sizes after this. Even for this, it was like 3 contracts, but because it was a huge move, it just like caused me that huge loss. But if I had had more contracts, I would have blown this account by like up to this point. Even like just like 4 or 5 contracts were enough to just like blow up this account completely. But that's kind of the advantage of the advantage of sizing small. So 3 contracts here again, like it's 3, 4, or 5 contracts here. So small contracts here. I took like in a couple of scalps. I took some of those losses back. I also took some trades on oil healing, just like broke down this level, pull back, broke down again another level, small pullback, again another break, just like pull back here, and then here. So I took like few of these trades. Let me show you the summary. This is the summary. Again, I took this screenshot after 6 p.m. This was already set to 0, but you see the account balance is gone down to $25,369 from, you see, this is the day before, which was up by 830. It sucks, but anyway, I hope I can make this back soon. This is the summary of my trades. You see, let's zoom in here. I was down like at the end of the day $389, but after fees it's like 480 actually. You see I had a lot of losses, so that's like 1,000. That's a lot. And but still, you see my win rate is high. So if I manage my losses properly, I can be perfectly profitable. I mean, fingers crossed. But if I keep doing what I'm doing with a better risk management, I'm kind of in good shape, knock on the wood. And you see, like, it's just like this was the terrible moment of the day, so I was just like crazy red. I just closed it here, and then these are like just like few more trades that I took, and the account came back down to only negative $480. And this is the summary. It was a clear, just like upside move. But again, I'm not trend, trader. I'm a scalper. Breakout, pullback, and pullback, I get in. I have to stick my setup. This was a lesson. I have gone through this, and I'm still making this mistake after this is the 3rd year of my trading. I'm learning, I think I'm making less mistakes, but we'll see. You're gonna witness everything that happens here. But you guys try. That's the most you can do. Try to not make the same mistakes again. And I'm very happy that so this account is alive to be traded another day. And tomorrow I'm gonna go in the market, with clear head, just hopefully not bias from this red day, and we'll have a great day tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone. See you in the next video.